As the demand for outdoor self-sufficiency grows, premium camping cookware has become essential for adventurers and home-based campers of the culinary arts. For typists and gamers who value precision and streamlined workflows, a well-organized mess kit mimics the efficiency of a high-end workstation. This guide evaluates the best sets based on handle stability, switch type, build quality, nesting layout, and overall value for your next wilderness expedition.
Product number 1. Tefal Ultimate Hard Anodized Non-Stick Cookware Set, 17-piece. While often found in home kitchens, the Tefal Ultimate Hard Anodized Set is the heavy-duty choice for car campers and overlanders who refuse to compromise on meal quality. The hard anodized aluminum is twice as strong as stainless steel, making it rugged enough to survive the vibrations of off-road travel. Its smart layout includes everything from a 5-quart Dutch oven to a specialized 1-egg Wonder Pan, providing a tool for every possible camp recipe. The standout feature is Tefal's signature ThermoSpot technology, a heat indicator that turns solid red when the pan is perfectly preheated. For the outdoor chef, this ensures consistent results even when cooking over variable heat sources like portable propane stoves. The riveted silicone handles offer a secure, heat-resistant grip, and the titanium-reinforced non-stick coating makes cleaning up after a greasy breakfast incredibly easy. At nearly 29 pounds, it's not for backpackers, but for base camp luxury, it offers unbeatable durability and professional performance.
Product number 2. Alex Camping Cookware Aluminum Cooking Set. The Alex Camping Set is a masterclass in space-saving engineering. Designed for 3 to 4 people, this set uses high-quality hard alumina that meets rigorous food safety standards. Its smart nesting layout allows 2 pots, 2.2 liters and 1.2 liters, an 0.8-liter kettle, and a 7.5-inch frying pan to collapse into a single compact mesh bag. This makes it an ideal choice for hikers who need to feed a group without sacrificing precious backpack volume. The build quality focuses on thermal efficiency, featuring a steam reflux groove and quick heat distribution that saves both time and fuel, critical when you're miles from the nearest resupply. The handles are insulated with food-grade silicone to prevent burns and feature an anti-slip design that locks firmly during use, but folds flat for storage. For the tactical camper, the Alex set provides a lightweight, rust-resistant solution that balances the needs of a small group with the portability of a solo kit.
Number 3. Bulin 24 13 11 8 4 PCS Camping Cookware Mess Kit. Bulin offers one of the most versatile, switchable configurations on the market, ranging from solo kits to massive 24-piece family sets. This set is specifically engineered for open-fire cooking, featuring a design that allows the pots to be hung over a campfire using a tripod. The hard anodized aluminum construction ensures rapid heat conduction, which is a major advantage for those looking to boil water for coffee or dehydrated meals in record time. The layout is highly inclusive, often bundling BPA-free bowls, plates, and even a cleaning sponge alongside the primary pots and pans. While the non-stick performance is reliable, the lack of heavy chemical coatings means it's safer for high-heat campfire use. Its collapsible bundle design is particularly appealing to gamers of the outdoors who enjoy optimizing their gear loadout. For the price, Bulin delivers a rugged, multifunctional kit that can adapt to anything from a solo backpacking trip to a full family picnic.
Product number 4. Sensart Non-Stick Cookware Set, 13-piece. The Sensart 13-piece set brings a touch of modern, smart design to the campsite with its Swiss granite coating. This healthy, PFOA-free surface is remarkably smooth, allowing food to slide off with minimal oil. For the health-conscious camper or the typist who wants a clean aesthetic setup, the wood grain Bakelite handles provide a comfortable, stay-cool grip that looks as good as it performs.
The build quality centers on a high magnetic conductive stainless steel base, meaning this set is induction compatible. This is a rare and valuable feature for campers using modern electric induction burners or glamping setups with power hookups. The cast aluminum core is sturdier than standard thin camping pots, resisting warping even under high heat. While slightly heavier than specialized backpacking kits, its versatility across gas, electric, and induction stoves makes it a high-value investment for those who transition frequently between home and the great outdoors.
Product number 5. Odoland 15-Piece Camping Cookware Mess Kit. The Odoland 15-Piece Mess Kit is the ultimate all-in-one value play for couples or small teams. Weighing in at just 2.4 pounds, it includes a 1.9-liter pot, a 1.1-liter kettle, and a 5.7-inch fry pan alongside stainless steel cups, plates, and cutlery. This smart layout ensures you don't have to purchase a separate chow kit, as everything from the spoons to the cleaning cloth is included in the nesting stock. The build quality features thermally isolated handles on every piece, a critical safety feature when managing multiple boiling pots on a small camp stove. The included 304 stainless steel cups come with silicone protectors to keep your hands safe from hot liquids. For the budget-conscious traveler, the Odoland kit provides a comprehensive kitchen in a bag that simplifies the logistics of outdoor dining. It's the perfect entry point for those new to backpacking who want a reliable, lightweight system that covers every essential, from morning tea to late-night stew.